So as a professional carpenter, I like to use like a little bit of heavier duty handles when I order them. I don't like, really lightweight. It's a little bit more than what we asked, but they're really nice. And the color that is a antique brass that we're gonna use. They're 5 and 3/8 wide, and you get a package of 10 of them with some 1-inch screws and some longer ones for your use for drawers. And we're gonna show you guys how to install one. So as a professional carpenter, you always want to use this even as a homeowner. These are called Brad Point bits, and it has 2 points at the edges and a point at the center. That's so it doesn't jump on you when you're drilling your poles. So make sure you can get them at any hardware stores, specialized for carpenters. So always, as a professional, you always want to use a screwdriver. Never use a drill unless you're sure of what you're doing to put handles. So we got our Phillips screwdriver, we got our screws. Go through the back. You hand tie it first. Grab your screw through the other side. Put it on. You see, like that. And you always want to do it by hand because you don't want to break the handle, especially if they're pricey. And we like to use this, really popular right now. Modern jobs, antique jobs.